Good afternoon. I probably won't be recording a video for the next couple of days because of my sinuses. However, I would like for you to comment on this short video and tell me, how often do you shampoo? It doesn't matter if you are locked or a loose natural. How often do you shampoo and why? This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me, even though my sinuses are acting up. I hope you understand all of what I said. Enjoy your day.